Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Welcome to your daily yoga moment. This gentle yoga pose helps strengthen your core, improve balance, and calm your mind. Keep your spine long, your breath steady, and your body relaxed. Feel the stretch, feel the strength, and let go of stress. Yoga is not about perfection, it's about progress. Stay connected to your breath. Stay calm. Stay strong. Today, we focus on balance, core strength, and inner peace. Begin by grounding yourself on the mat. Lift your legs slowly and engage your core muscles.
For this gentle yoga practice, find a comfortable position on your mat. Allow your body to relax and let your mind settle. As you begin, focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly, releasing all tension. Today's yoga pose is designed to improve balance, strengthen your core, and bring calmness to your mind. Gently engage your core muscles. Keep your spine long and your shoulders relaxed. Lift your legs slowly with control. There is no rush. Move with awareness. Feel the strength in your body. Feel the stability beneath you. If your balance feels shaky, that's okay. Yoga is about progress, not perfection. Continue breathing slowly and deeply. Inhale, exhale. Allow your body to build strength naturally. This pose helps improve posture, flexibility, and focus. If at any moment you feel discomfort, gently release the pose and rest. Listen to your body, it knows best. Let go of stress, let go of worries, be fully present in this moment. With every breath, feel more relaxed. With every exhale, release negativity. Yoga connects the mind, body, and breath. It helps you feel grounded, calm, and strong. Slowly lower your leg and return to a neutral position. Take another deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Notice how your body feels. Notice the calm in your mind. Thank yourself for taking this time to care for your health and well-being. Practice yoga daily to build strength, balance, and inner peace. Thank you for practicing yoga with us today. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more calming yoga and wellness videos.